Okay, you guys, welcome back to another video here on the Idaho Panhandlers. My name is Danny, and it's November 4th, 2022. We've got our first snow of the year outside today, and this package literally just arrived on the front porch. The box is still completely wet, and I wanted to do an unboxing video for you guys of our brand new 3.5 quart Dutch oven by Smithey Ironware. I've been wanting to kind of get into cast iron cooking for a while now. I'm really tired of just replacing our ceramic pans every 6 months, it seems like, eight months, and they just seem like they are good at first, very non-stick, but then they just don't last. So this is the first piece from Smithey Ironware that I got, and I hope that I like it, but I wanted to start out with a Dutch oven and just see kind of what we've got here. So let's unbox it and just see what it looks like. Lots of paper. So here is the other item that I bought. This is the chainmail scrubber from Smithey, and it's $20. I've honestly never used one, but I assume it's just to get the stubborn, sticky food off of your cast iron dishware or pots and pans, whatever you want to call them. So that's kind of cool. Tell you what, it's heavy. Heavier than I was thinking. I think it said online it was about 11 pounds. The weight is 11.5 pounds. I have the website up right next to me on my phone just so I can reference specs and facts for you guys so I don't screw anything up. But, all right. I like the box. It's kind of like an oversized shoebox. Okay. So, what we've got. Smithey Ironware Company, their little logo, Dutch oven, 3.5 quart, US made. You know, we tried the Lodge cast iron pans a couple years ago, and I just had terrible luck with them, and I pretty much just gave up on cast iron up until now. I really want it to work, and I just want some cookware that will last me a long time. So, all right, that's kind of what we've got. All right, so we've got the lid on top. Let's see what this says here on the box. Smithey Ironware, we have crafted your Smithey Dutch oven to become an heirloom. A uniquely polished interior surface honors the best of vintage cast iron while delivering superior performance for today's kitchen. Use it frequently. Let it play a small part in setting the table for warm meals and pleasant memories with friends and family. Pass it on wisely. Like I said, I want it to last, so I can do so. Okay. So I really like the packaging. It's basic, but it's well presented. Okay, so it looks like we've got just some little instruction guides. This says getting started, first uses, and then it also has a guide for seasoning, which I like. So I wanted to read to you guys what it says about first use and how to go about using the Smithey Ironware Dutch oven for the first time. So basically, I'll just read you what it says right here. It says, your Smithey is ready for a lifetime of use. We have pre-seasoned your cast iron by hand with several thin layers of grapeseed oil to protect it before it arrives in your kitchen. Before use, lightly rinse the interior of your cookware with warm water and dry. You're now ready to cook. First dish recommendations. We recommend dishes that require higher heat to break in your Smithey. In particular, roasted vegetables, sauteed mushrooms, or caramelized onions are excellent dishes for building your seasoning layer. For breakfast, pancakes are a great option as well. It says, expert tip, bacon in particular has a tendency to strip the seasoning from a pan that has only been used a few times. So it sounds like maybe wait on the bacon until you actually cooked on it and seasoned it a few times after the first use. It says for cleaning and care, after use, clean your Smithey with warm water and a scrubbing pad if necessary. To remove any stubborn food remnants on your Smithey cooked surface, use a touch of dish soap and the flat edge of a metal spatula or chainmail scrubber. After cleaning, dry and optionally apply a thin sheen of oil to the surface and leave on your range for your next meal. So, expert tip for cleaning and care, it says, don't put your Smithey in the dishwasher or soak in the sink for extended periods of time. Soap is okay. A touch of dish soap won't hurt your Smithey. So, I am a rookie when it comes to cast iron, I'll admit, but I was never going to put it in a dishwasher. So, feel a little validated on that one. So the Smithey 3.5 quart Dutch oven comes in at $200 US on their website. Not gonna lie, I'm kind of a rookie when it comes to cast iron. Wow. That's a pretty lid though. So what I like about it is that it's kind of like a dark brown cast iron. It's not completely black. It's kind of bronzed, if you will. So, Smithey Ironware, Dutch oven, US made. It's got their cool little emblem on the lid. Dig it. Okay. So here is the pot itself. Wow. So this is the 3.5 quart, and honestly, I thought it was going to be way smaller than this. So I'm pleasantly surprised. I was just thinking it would be more of like a little bit bigger than a saucepan, if you will. But that is a great size pan. Like I said, it is heavy. So some specs, obviously 3.5 quarts. It says the depth is 3.75 inches deep, which I can see that makes sense. And then it says handle to handle is a foot long, 12 inches. I believe on the bottom here, you have what we call, I believe this is called a heat ring. So it leaves a small gap between your cooking surface and the pot. I believe that's what it's called. Like I said, a little bit of a rookie when it comes to cast iron, you guys, but I hope to take you guys along and show you some food that we're going to cook. I really actually want to start cooking on the wood stove. That is kind of the plan. So that is kind of it. So I wish I knew more cast iron lingo, but I don't. It's very smooth on the bottom, but we'll probably end up seasoning it first before we use it. And yeah, that is kind of it. This is the Smithey Ironware 3.5 quart Dutch oven. You know, I really want to make stews, soups, breads, you name it in this guy, and I think this would be a great first addition to our cast iron collection because I really do want to start building it up. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to stay tuned for more cast iron cooking videos, and I think that's all I got for you guys. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a thumbs up, and we will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.